At Ozbreed, we are always trying to improve the functionality, reliability, and the maintenance needs of plants. With its deep blue foliage, great drought tolerance, and a recently tested ability to handle very wet conditions, Eskdale Blue Poa is the ultimate tussock grass for ornamental landscapes. It grows in quickly, establishing in weeks and getting its roots deep thanks to its strong root system. Within a year, your landscape will have a mature-looking plant. In times of economic uncertainty, this saves you up to 70% on upfront planting costs. Eskdale Blue is happy being planted in small containers such as tubes or smaller pots. It will quickly outgrow other plants and look like it has been growing in your garden for years, a trait that makes this poa truly outstanding. If planted at 6 or more per square metre, it helps outcompete weeds, saving money on maintenance. Ornamental grasses in general perform far better with yearly pruning, and Eskdale Blue is no exception. Its ability to regrow quickly from yearly pruning reduces its maintenance costs even more. It is easy to prune too. Simply cut back hard with machinery in autumn, winter or early spring, and you will have a plant with new vibrant blue shoots. Poa tussock grasses are an icon of southern Australian landscapes, performing well from just north of Sydney down to Tasmania and across to WA. However, Eskdale Blue Poa is a step above the average ornamental tussock grass and an improvement on the old plain Eskdale variety. Compared to the old Eskdale, the Eskdale Blue Poa is bluer, grows approximately 20% lower, and has a cleaner foliage with less blemishes. The original Eskdale became popular due to its legendary ability to stay blue-green for far longer, rather than going the rustic brown colour like most poas. The Eskdale Blue Poa retains this capability to brown less. We believe there is something about its leaf that makes it blue more often and straw brown less often. It can also survive drought and handle humidity better. With an improved cutback performance, the Eskdale Blue Poa is basically a better tussock overall. This plant is the ideal low-cost mass planting or group planting option, softening both commercial and residential landscapes with its blue foliage. Low cost because it can be planted in smaller sizes due to its rapid maturing. It can also be placed with other plants as a filler or feature, or even as a low-cost border along a fence or garden. Its unique grassy attractiveness adds a natural feel to the landscape in late spring and summer. Wherever you put it, it will save you money.